Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are doing good and ready for your terminal exams. So let's begin with the attempting and submitting your terminal exam fall 2020 tutorial. Okay, so first of all you need to go to your browser. In my case it is Google Chrome. It could be any of browser of your choice. First of all you need to go to this Gmail. This is required for logging in to your IIU email account. Select your account. If your credentials are saved, you can just go and press next. If your credentials are not saved, then you can enter your ID and your password and then click next. So after clicking next, you will be redirected to your
It's 2 o'clock.
Gmail account. Okay, after your logging into your Gmail account, you need to go to these 9 dots. These 9 dots are basically Google Apps. Click on Google Apps, scroll down a bit and click Classroom. This is the classroom from where you can attempt your terminal exam. Okay, so you need to check for the date sheet that which of your paper is about to start. So go and select that class. For instance, I have a paper of Introduction to Programming. I'll click on it. After clicking on the class, you will go to your classwork and you will see a terminal examination fall 2020 folder. You will click on this folder. It will show you these 4 subfolders. One is Introduction to Programming PDF. This is your question paper. Sample course. This is your answer booklet. And this is Google Forms sign in. So first of all, what you need to do is you can go and make a sign in to the Google Forms. As you have already entered through your IIU email account, so you will be directed to these forms. Going back to classwork, you can click the PDF, that is your question paper. You will click on these 3 dots, open a new window, and then you will see a download button is enabled over here. So you will click on this button and your paper is being downloaded. So it's all up to you whether you want to download your paper or you want to view your paper. After that, what you will do is you will go to your classwork. You will open your answer booklet. This is your answer booklet where your teacher will be providing you all the details, that is course title, course code, program, date and time, and teacher name. So you will again go to these 3 dots, open a new window, and you will download your answer booklet. Once your answer booklet is being downloaded, what you will do, you will go to your desktop where it is being downloaded. Double click on it, make it enlarge. Okay, no need to make changes on the first part of the page as it is being done by your teacher. Go to your student's name, write down your name over here. For instance, my name is Mizra. Just check the settings. Enter your student registration number. For instance, in my case it is okay. So this is how your student name and student registration number look like. Okay, after that, read the instructions carefully. What you have to do is all written over here. You will be having 6 hours for attempting and submitting your answer sheets. How to submit your answer booklet, all the procedure is given over here. What you have to do is you have to go through all these steps and you will be attempting your final paper. Okay, there are some important lines over here that shows that you will not use any unfair means and all the mandatory things are being provided over here. Okay, so here's a student affirmation. I affirm the given pledge. You need to read this pledge, and after that you will come on this box and you will make a double click. When you will make a double click, that box will be turned into a tick sign. That means you affirm with all the things written over here. Okay, after that you will see that here is a start inserting images on page number 3. That means you have to start inserting images from the next page. This is what your next page looks like. Insert pictures here, insert pictures of answer number 2 here, and insert pictures of answer number 3 here. Okay, so important step here it is that what you have to do is basically first of all you have to make sure that you have cam scanner downloaded in your mobile or any other mobile app if you want to use, but you have to make sure that your pictures would be very clear and readable to your teacher. So after getting your question paper, you must have neat sheets in front of you, and all the instructions have been given here that what would be on your answer sheets. So please read these carefully, mention your name, registration number, page number, and sign each page of your handwritten answer sheet. And your paper should be attempted with blue ballpoint only. Please make sure you will not use any other color. Write neatly so that it would be readable. Okay, after attempting your paper on the sheets, open Cam Scanner app from your mobile that you will have to download before exams. Make sure you have downloaded your app. After that, take clear pictures and save them as images. Now import those images to your desktop or laptop via cable or email. That is totally up to you. Okay, as you can read all the instructions which have been given on your screens, and you can practice it before your final examination. Okay, now for instance, we are done with the pictures. I will click here. I will go to insert. I will click on pictures from file. You can even drag and drop from your desktop, and you can go to the pictures and you can import the pictures as well. So for instance, this is my first answer. I'll double click. My first answer sheet is being inserted over here. Then question 2, I'll again go to insert pictures from file, and this is my question number 2 being inserted over here, and same is the case will be the question number 3. Or if you have multiple pages for one question, you will keep adding these pages to your next sheets. Okay, make sure once you are done with all these activities, what you have to do is you will go to file, save as. Make sure your course name is written over here. It's totally up to you where you want to save it. You want to save it into your desktop, you can save it on desktop, or if you want to save it any other, you can save there. File format must be selected as PDF. Okay, in my case my interface is a bit different, but it could be almost the same, or it could vary a little in your operating system. So you have to check this PDF file and you will say export. Make it yes. Make it save. And this is what my answer booklet will look like. This is Introduction to Programming answer booklet getting opened. So this is how my answer booklet will look alike. Okay, so now I need to upload this answer booklet on these Google Forms. The form which I have already opened in my browser. If you have not opened it previously, then you can just go and click on Google Forms sign in. If you have already signed in from your IIU email account, it will directly take you to the form page. Here you need to write your name. Your name is, for instance, it's Mizra. Registration number 1105 FMS. BBA IT. Make sure you enter correct registration number over here, and then you have to upload your answer booklet. Click on add file, select file from your device, and this was my PDF being saved over here. I'll insert it, upload. Okay, make sure and cross-check your answer booklet twice before submitting your form, because once you will be done with submitting your response, you will not be allowed to resubmit again. So I'll submit it, and you have to make sure that the time limit which has been given to you, you have to send your responses before that time limit, because once the time limit will cross, you will be unable to upload your answer booklet. So you can see your response has been recorded. Now you can log out from your IIU email account and you can wait for your results. So good luck, students. Thank you.